Starting a graphic design agency might sound like a big challenge, but it's totally achievable with the right steps. Today, let's break it down into simple parts that anyone can follow. First, think about what sets your agency apart. What's your unique style or niche? Maybe you focus on branding for small businesses or digital illustrations. Knowing your niche helps you stand out in the crowd. Next, let's talk about building a portfolio. You don't need a long list of past clients to show what you can do. Instead, create some mock projects. Design logos, social media graphics, or website layouts. Your portfolio is your visual resume, so make it shine. Now, onto the business side. You'll need to register your agency and take care of any legal paperwork. LegalRegistration.com is the go-to place for all your registration needs. We've got you covered so you can focus on what you love, design. Setting your rates is another important step. Do some research to see what other agencies charge, but don't undervalue your work. Consider offering packages based on the project scope, like a basic, standard, and premium package. This gives clients options and helps you earn what you deserve. Another critical aspect to consider is establishing a client onboarding process. Make it simple and professional by creating templates for contracts, invoices, and project timelines. A smooth onboarding experience not only impresses your clients, but also sets the tone for a successful partnership. Marketing your agency is all about visibility. Use social media to share your work and connect with potential clients. Platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn can be great places to showcase your talent and find new opportunities. Don't just post your designs. Engage with your audience by asking questions or sharing design tips. Networking is also key. Attend events, join design groups, and connect with other creatives. You never know where a conversation might lead. Sometimes, a casual chat can turn into your next big project. Don't underestimate the power of client testimonials. Reach out to satisfied customers and ask for feedback. A glowing review on your website or social media can do wonders for building trust and attracting new clients. As your agency grows, consider the team you want to build. Start with freelancers or part-timers if you're not ready for full-time staff. This can help you manage costs while still delivering great work. Look for people who complement your skills and share your vision. Finally, always keep learning. Design trends change and new tools emerge all the time. Stay curious and open to new ideas. This not only improves your skills, but also keeps your agency relevant and innovative. So there you have it, a simple guide to starting your graphic design agency. Remember, every step you take gets you closer to your dream. If you have questions or need help with the legal stuff, reach out at LegalRegistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on starting and growing your business. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your agency.